Hello, I'm Jocelyn Metzger with Sunshine Therapeutics. Today I'm going to show you the very simple method of breathing. A lot of times when I assess somebody's posture alignment and I'm looking at their cumulative traumas, those everyday habits that are driving their tension, when I see them breathe, they go, which is most definitely not a very deep and relaxing breath. So I encourage them to breathe using their diaphragm, a muscle that is like a rainbow at the base of your rib cage. As you breathe in, that muscle should expand down, almost like you have a balloon in your belly, allowing your rib cage to expand out. And on the exhale, everything should pull in. So from the side, it should look like this. Exhale, pucker my lips up, and pull in. Notice that as I do that, my shoulders go nowhere. This can be really difficult if this area and your chest is really tight. To make sure that you start this in a correct manner and you're not trying to fight a bad habit, begin by laying down. So when we lay down, gravity is eliminated and we can much more easily expand our belly up and back down. Breathing in through our nose, exhaling, puckering up our lips, and letting it fall down. I encourage people to do this before they get out of bed in the morning, as well as before they go to sleep at night. So we begin to stretch this area and retrain the body to breathe as it was meant to. Once this becomes easy, I encourage folks to do this in a sitting position. And you can do this in a chair. What I recommend, sit forward. And as you breathe in, imagine that you have this inner tube around your stomach. Exhale, blow out. The purpose for the leaning forward is that you can more feel yourself pushing out on that inhale and pulling in on the exhale. Do this in your car, at work, anytime you use the bathroom. Take a moment, lean forward, and breathing in, exhaling, making sure that there's no tension in the neck or shoulders. Once that becomes easy, then move into the standing position. Breathing in and out. That's the simple art of breathing. Once you can get your breath in the correct manner, you're going to find that you'll have more energy. You're going to sleep better because your body will have more nitric oxide, which helps to quiet down the autonomic nervous system, that fight, flight, or freeze. And you're just going to overall feel better. And it's a great stretch for the back. For more information, visit sunshinetherapeutics.com. And Godspeed on your voyage to heal, learning healthy, everyday activities for life. Bye.